I'm Marianne Binetti. I'm going to talk to you today about weeds, noxious weeds. Now, this nice looking shrub is actually a noxious weed. It is a volunteer. I did not plant it. It is called spurge laurel. Now, it is not a member of the laurel family. It is not a member of the spurge family. It actually is a member of the Daphne family. So it is very well in shade. And it has started to volunteer and take over a lot of the native woods and the forest here on the western coast of the United States, but now it's spreading all over. Now the reason that spurge laurel spreads is, look at this, these black berries in here. You see these little black berries, and the birds eat them, and then the birds distribute the seeds through their bird manure all over the area. And then you get these little seedlings, and they look really cute when they first come up, and you think you have something nice growing in your garden, and then it turns into a bigger shrub and a larger shrub, and pretty soon these black berries appear, and they spread all over, and they ruin the native habitat for our birds and our wildlife. So what I'm going to do without using any pesticides is simply, when it's young, I try to catch them before they're this size, I'm going to cut off this spurge laurel right at the base. I'm going to remove the soil a little bit, like this. Okay. And now I'm going to get down here as low as I can. Now I have this cut stem. I'm going to then use this rock that I went and found ahead of time and place the rock directly on top of the cut stem. And that is going to keep that spurge laurel from sprouting again. So the reason you want to remove this noxious weed from your garden is because the sap it's toxic. If you get it on your skin, some people are highly allergic to it, so wear gloves. And also these blackberries. These berries are poisonous. You don't want people or livestock to eat the berries. Some birds can eat them, but a lot of people and animals cannot. So get rid of this noxious weed, the spurge laurel, from your garden. I'll come back in about a year. If I see any little sprouts, I'll cut them to the ground and also make sure it doesn't, spread. And then while I'm down here, I just see these other little, called Stinky Bob, or Robert's geranium. And this is a little native geranium that is also taking over some of our woodlands. So this little geranium is called a noxious weed as well. Remember, noxious weeds are weeds that you don't want in your garden because they destroy the habitat of our wild areas. So, cushion spurge and the little Robert's geranium, two noxious weeds to get out of your garden. This has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.